So this investigation that we are going to do, there are instructions, and we are told to follow those instructions. Okay, so I would also like you to follow along as I read out the instructions, and I do it on the whiteboard. I'm doing it on the whiteboard, and I expect you people to also follow it on your notebook. So this is called the crossing points. Okay, and we have done this kind of exercise already, but this is in a slightly different manner. So you can't see it?
No, sir.
No.
Yes, sir. I think we can see it now.
Okay, so it says I'm investigating how many crossing points there are with different numbers of straight lines. I'm going to start with 2 lines, then 3, then 4, and so on, and see how many crossing points I get. Then I'm going to see if there is a pattern in the numbers. Okay, so did you get it? You do crossing points with different number of lines. So you start off with 2 lines, 2 straight lines. Okay, so in 2 straight lines I have 1 crossing point. Okay, and then if I have 3 straight lines, okay,
3 crossing points.
then I can get 3 points. Okay, now you keep increasing the number of lines. Do up to 5 lines and tell me what is the maximum number of crossing points you get. So I'm going to stop my video, and then I'm going to continue doing it. So we all do it on our own. Anybody not clear about the instructions?
Sir, I didn't hear you because your voice.
Breaking up? Okay, so 2 lines, 1 point. Okay, 3 lines, 3 points. So I want you to do 4 lines and 5 lines. How many points? So I'm going to do it on my own, and I'll stop the video and I'll do it on my own, and you people also should do it on your own. And let's say that I'll give you 1 minute to do this. Okay, I'm done.
Sir, I'm done.
So I'm done. So I'm done.
Please don't shout.
Don't show it? Okay.
No, sir. Shailesh said not to shout, not to show.
Okay, got it. Okay, so what you get, what I got, and correct me if I'm wrong anywhere. Okay, is that when I increase the number of lines, like for 4 lines, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. Okay, and for 5 lines, I got 10 such points. And if you continue to do this, we know it from the tile experiment and also from the collinear points experiment, not experiment problems, those problems we solved before, that it can start getting pretty complicated after this. Okay, so they have asked us to do this, we have done this. Now let's see. With 2 lines, you get 1 crossing point or none if the lines are parallel. Okay, yeah, we know that because if you take 2 lines and if they happen to be parallel to one another, okay, assuming that these 2 lines are parallel, I just drew it freehand, so they may not be parallel. But if they are parallel, then you get 0 points. This is comparing the same situation. But if you cross them, if they meet in at least 1 point, then you will have 1 point which crosses. So now they go on. With 3 lines, you can get 0, 1, 2, or 3 crossing points. So if you put 3 lines parallel to one another, then you will get 0. You can put 3 lines. How do you put 3 lines? Okay, you can put 3 lines like that, and you get only 1 crossing point, etc., etc. So the maximum is 3, the minimum is 0. From now on, I am going to find only the maximum number of crossing points. Okay, so for 4 lines, 6 points is correct. For 5 lines, 10 points is correct. Okay, so far so good. Now we start the investigation. So we say if we put the number of lines and the maximum crossing points in a table, one, two, three, 4. Then if we put 2 crossing lines, we get 1 maximum point. 3, we get 3 maximum points. 4, we get 6 maximum points. And 5, we get 10 maximum points. Okay, can you also now draw the table down, write down the table? Are you doing it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm continuing now. I just get rid of this diagram here because we can now stop making diagrams as we are budding mathematicians. What we should do is we should be able to now predict.
Sir, I got it.
15, sir, it's 15.
Wait.
Sir, it
Sir,
should be
we get a pattern.
Give everybody a chance. Give everybody a chance to try it out on their own, and then we will compare notes, and then you can tell me what you think. So if 6 lines cross, if 7 lines cross, if 8 lines cross, how many number of crossing points do you have? And can you say that without actually making the drawing? Okay, so you should be able to see the pattern and tell me how the pattern tells you the number of lines that are going to occur. Okay, so try it out. I'm again going to switch off the screen and do it on my own.
Till how much?
And then I will come. 8 is enough.
8.
Up to 8 is enough, but basically what I want you to do is I want you to find out a pattern.
Sir,
Once you've got the pattern, you can do it for any number of lines. Yes.
Sir, do we have to make the diagram because I got the pattern?
See what I'm saying. You don't have to do the diagram. You just use the pattern to tell the number. If you want to verify it, yes, you can do a diagram to verify it. But I'm not asking you to do that. That's up to you. As an investigator, you have full rights to do whatever you want. Okay. Only thing is, in the end, give me proof. Give me your reason. All right. So I'm going to again go off screen and I'm going to try it out on my own.